Alright everyone, today I'm back with the triple whammy of scams. We are trying out Fruit Clash Legend. Here we go. You want to win some real life money? You want me to boost your finances up? You want to be a millionaire? You try out Fruit Clash Legend, everyone, and then all your dreams will be fulfilled. Trust me, you'll get $1 million in PayPal, bro. Just play this app. Don't play this app. Here we go, everyone. Let's try it out. We're already getting offered with an advertisement at the bottom, and we're getting offered to watch an ad to double our coins. I don't even know what coins do, but I'm getting prompted to watch an ad to double them. Excellent, excellent. So, Fruit Clash Legend. Let's spin that magic wheel. Give me that money. I want to be a millionaire. Come on, come on. What? What's it giving me? 100 coin double. No. This app's already starting to get me angry, dude. It's already asked me twice to double my coins. Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go. This is it. We've already hit the cash out area, I think, here, guys. So, 233,000 coins will give me a $10 PayPal card. Over 500,000 coins will give me $25, and over 1 million will give me $50. Now, depending on what country you're in, the prices seem to vary here. Very, very interesting, dude. Very interesting. I'm just trying to show you guys all your countries here, dude. Canada, look at this. 200,000, 500,000 in Canada. You get some Google. What is that? What is Gooly? Gooly Play? Bro, what is Gooly Play? Have I missed something? What is Gooly Play? That can't be right. I've never heard of Gooly Play, bro. Gooly Play. I don't know. I don't know. Apparently Germans can unlock Gooly Play, everyone, but I can't. Oh my lord. Get out of this. Alright, let's go. Let's play. How do I play? Tap a number brick. The same. Yeah, whatever. I'm sure it's not rocket science, bro. Seriously. These apps are designed. Like, this is a thing. And I can't stress this enough, everyone, okay? I play these type of trash apps every day on my channel to save you guys time, so you all don't get scammed. I show you real-life reviews. Real-life reviews, dude, from real-life people, okay? This isn't the bought 5-star app reviews that these idiot developers purchase. These are real reviews. I just hope you all understand this. My job is not to show you the cash outs of these pathetic apps. It's to prove to you that they're fake by the reviews on the Play Store. No one's going to fake a review on apps like this. Why would they? There's no point. No one has the time or patience to do that. 2 times PayPal. What? What am I doing? What's happening right now? Have I done something wrong, or? I don't get it. Why is there a chest here? Collect. Watch an ad. 2 times PayPal. Watch an ad. Yeah, sure, dude. That's exactly what I want to do. I want to watch an ad already. It's just throwing me off completely. What am I even doing right now, dude? I've completely spun out here. Anyway, so yeah, just remember, guys, my job is not to show you the PayPal cash out scam side of it. My job is to prove to you the reviews are what people say. I believe 100%, okay? There's just overwhelming numbers of negative reviews, all saying the same thing. Now, there is truth in numbers when it comes to that, guys. No one's going to put together a hit squad on a pathetic little fake money-making app, okay? That's why I make these videos every single day, to hopefully save someone out there time to avoid these apps, okay? You will never, ever get the cash outs on these apps, bro. And if you do, if you manage to get the cash outs, okay, you're the luckiest person in the world. Just remember that. Because there's a hell of a lot of people that aren't getting the cash out, bro. Let me just use this mallet here. Okay, that's great. I'll just use a mallet. What's this do? +2. Okay. There we go. I'm just using my little abilities here, by the way. Get some more coins. How many coins am I on right now? Remember, I need to get 200,000 or so. How many am I on? 471 coins. See, this app would be okay. If it didn't try to scam people, the app would actually be decent, okay? Just an FYI, everyone. I don't see anything wrong with the app itself. It's pretty, it looks good, it's colourful, kids would love it. But the problem is here, right? Even adults would love it. But the only problem is it promises real-life money. It promises to be rich. How is this app going to make me rich, bro? I saw the advertisements for this pathetic app. And it's some guy going like this. Oh my god! You know these dumb ads where people are like overreacting? It's so good, dude. It's so good just to rip into them. Seriously, man. It's classic. It is classic. Yeah, this is the app it looks like right now. Just constantly trying to get me to watch advertisements. That's it. There's nothing... What? Is there even levels on this? What's going on right now? Am I done yet? Nah, I'm not even done yet, dude. Legitimately. Okay. No worries. That's alright, app. I'll just keep going until it just kicks me out, I guess. I mean, what's the goal here? What am I actually doing right now? I'm not going to lie to you. I don't really play these apps that often, guys, where you match the colors together and stuff. It kind of reminds me of Candy Crush. I think, is it called Candy Crush Saga? Don't know. I got a combo of 20 just then. I got $1.13. Collect. There it is. There it is. This is the biggest telltale sign of a scam app. Collect the real life money, right? But you have to watch an ad. See? See? Dude. It's all the same. Leaving will not receive any rewards. Literally, it says this word for word. Leaving will not receive any rewards. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Dude. All I can picture is some poor person sitting here all day. All day trying to collect PayPal rewards, bro. Oh my lord. Game task. All-time most 5 combo. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. This is it. This is the app, isn't it? This is all I'm going to be doing all day. Surely not, bro. I'm actually sad. I really hope this is not the whole app. I'm actually very, very disappointed right now. I kid you not. Like, what is going on? I don't get it. What am I doing right now? Do I have to get the watermelons together? Is that the goal? And now it's telling me to get the blueberries or the purple berries, whatever they are? It must be. That must be the goal, bro. That has to be the goal. It's at the top of the screen there, okay? I still can't get to it though, so I don't have enough. There's not any on the screen right now. That's the problem. I need that berry there, guys. Just the combo just keeps going here. Congratulations, collect. No, I don't want to watch a stupid ads game. Oh my lord, brother. Dude, imagine the poor people that sit through this and actually try to grind up money from watching ads. Please, everyone, do something better with your life. Don't get scammed by these apps, bro. They're designed to trick you. Oh my god, it hurts me emotionally. It's making me angry. I just get so angry with these apps, bro. I wish Google just hired me as a moderator. I'd go and I'd smite down all these apps, man. So quick, you have no idea. You would have no idea, dude. I have a massive list ready to go. Hyper Plinko, every Plinko app on the market. Boom, boom, boom. All banned in one shot. Oh, wow. Just makes me happy thinking about it. It makes me so happy. Oh, well, anyway, I'm done. I think I'm done here, dude. I mean, look, I want to use one of my abilities here on this stupid berry. Once a combination stop here. Jeez. Alright, here we go. Yeah, okay, I get it. I get some coins. I only have 1,000 coins. I need 200,000 for $5. Pathetic. There, done. Now what? Now what, though? I don't get it. What do I do? Actually, them together does nothing. Oh, man. I think I'm about to smash this app up, guys. I think it's done here. I think it's over. I think my fruit matching career is over here. I'm done. This is putting me to sleep, bro. This app's making me tired. And I was pumped up before I recorded this, like before I started recording. Alright, well everyone, I'm done. Get off my screen. Fruit Clash Legend, I never want to see you again. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Avoid this like the plague. This app is a scam. Check out my other videos for other scam exposures, okay? I've played almost 100 apps on my channel now in the last month or two, okay? So, be careful out there. I'll see you next time. Catch you around.